Good morning to one and all. Myself Shreyansh and I am from Kendra Vidyalaya Saili Silvasa. I am here to share my idea for the Viksit Bharat Buildathon named Environment Stability. Now let's take a look on the introduction. The environment faces critical challenges that threaten ecosystem and human well-being. Understanding these issues and implementing sustainable solution is essential to ensure a healthy planet for our future generations. This presentation highlights key problems, their causes, and effective strategies for sustainability. Now let's take a look on some environmental challenges. First, look at the key issues. Major environmental issues include climate change, pollution, deforestation, and loss of biodiversity. These problems disrupt natural systems and reduce resource availability, impacting food security and health worldwide. Now let's take a look on the causes and impact. Firstly, human activities such as industrialization, urbanization, and unsustainable resource use increase greenhouse gases and waste. The resulting impacts include extreme weather, habitat destruction, and decreased air and water quality. Now let's take a look on the current status. Environmental degradation continues at an alarming rate with rising global temperatures and increasing pollution levels. Many ecosystems are under stress, leading to loss of species and diminished natural resources. Immediate action and widespread awareness are critical to reversing these trends and securing a sustainable future for all. Now let's take and look on some sustainable solutions. Well, firstly, let's take on some innovative ideas. Sustainable solutions include renewable energy adoption, waste reduction, and eco-friendly technologies. Innovations like solar power, circular economies, and green infrastructure help reduce environmental footprints and promote resource efficiency for long-term benefits. Now let's take on some implementation strategies. Firstly, effective strategies focus on policy enforcement, community engagement, and corporate responsibility. Coordinated efforts include setting environmental regulations, encouraging sustainable practices, and investing in clean technologies to achieve measurable impact. Now let's take a look on some benefits and outcomes. Sustainability efforts improve air and water quality, preserve biodiversity, and support economic growth. They create healthier communities and reduce climate risk, ensuring a balanced relationship between humans and nature for future resilience. Now let's take on some conclusions. Addressing environmental challenges require proactive, sustainable solutions and collective action. By innovating and implementing smart strategies, we can protect our planet, benefit society, and ensure a viable ecosystem for generations to come. Well, thank you.